Hi, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'll be making Korean marinated eggs. And a list of ingredients can be found in the description. To begin, you'll first need to boil some eggs for 6 minutes and 30 seconds for the gooey consistency of the yolk. When the eggs are done, immediately bathe in ice water. You'll also want to use the back of a knife to create cracks on the eggs, which will make it much easier to peel. To make the marinade, you will need half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of green onions, 3 tablespoons of white onions, half a tablespoon of Korean chili flakes, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Next, peel the eggs and leave to marinate in the fridge overnight or at least 4 hours. To enjoy, I recommend pairing a bowl of steamed rice